Right guys, some time ago I've showed you my emergency fire kit. I was watching a video the other day, adventure outdoors and gear, and in my fire kit I've always had these WetFire tinder, and he did bring it to my attention that there is a shelf life on these WetFires. He said 5 years. Well, I've had these for over 7 years. I've never seen a sell by date on them, or use by date should I say, on these WetFires. So I thought I'll dig them out. 7 years old. We'll do a quick viability test. So to open these up, the quickest way to open them up, the best way to open them up is to take hold of the tab at the end and give it a pull. So we open it up like that. Inside we've got our WetFire tab, and we'll yeah, that's still got quite a strong smell of accelerant. So what we'll do is we'll do a quick viability test for these WetFires. We'll place it in our receptacle, and we'll run a timer on this. We'll get that in there. Oh. Now that's instantly lit. We'll run a timer on it. As you can see, there is quite a bit of smoke coming off this. And he was going for a 5-minute burn time, and I think he achieved a 6 minutes. So we'll see how we go. We are outside. You can see there's a little bit of wind affecting the flame, but nothing much to concern us. So we'll just leave that to burn, and we'll probably fast forward this section. So it's near enough out, guys. Well, it's still burning. That's it. It's gone out. So it went out at 5:14. So 5 minutes 14 seconds for a burn. But I'd say there's still some fuel left in there. It's advised that these get crushed. So, I mean, there is fuel still in the centre, the outside's burning. So I would normally crush these up to get them going. But I've got a 5 minute 14 second burn time.